I just wanted to show you guys this charger that we've been using for a little while now, probably about 2 months. It's been excellent. It's a Hobbymate D6 Duo Pro. Does AC and DC, so you can actually plug it up to a car battery or something like that in the back, or you can plug it up to an AC outlet. Works really well. Comes with XT60 plugs in the front, so you have to run adapters if you got Deans or an XT90 like we run. We run XT90s. They're way better. But yeah, you can actually go up to a 6S on it, no problems. It's got the ports in there for balancing, all that. It'll charge, it'll discharge. We've done it many times on AC where we actually charge 10 amps to two batteries at one time, and bam, I mean, that's a pretty good charge. I think that's a 2C charge on these 5200s. We're running at 10.4 amps on each one, and it'll pump it up, go pretty good. Doesn't get hot. It's fairly quiet. I'll show you how it works here. Right now I'm fixing to charge these two 3S batteries. We got a little button there, and it remembers a lot of your currents and stuff. We generally charge at a 1C, which will be 5.2 for these 5200s. So yeah, nice easy charge for it, no problems. 3S, you want to charge them up to a 4.2, you can change all this, and it automatically recognizes the battery types and all for you, but you can go in there and manually change all these things if you like. Not a problem, it's real simple. There it goes, it's starting to charge that channel. Go to the next channel, same thing, and it remembers everything. It's a 3S battery, 5.2 current we're going to throw to it. So yeah, just like that, and bam, she's now charging 2 batteries, and it'll pump it right up, balance them out. It's done an excellent job. It balances them really good. Solid charger, solid. As you hear, it's not making any noise. Just now kick the fan on. If you'll discharge a lot, the fan will run. It does discharge batteries, but it can only discharge a little at a time without some kind of an external resistor on the back of it. You can plug a resistor into the DC port and put a resistor in there and let it to where it'll discharge quite a bit if you like. I've never really done it, so I can't really speak too much about it. But with it's just internal resistance and all that to discharge, it's a little slow, but it will discharge a battery if you need to get them back down to a storage capacity or something like that. Or if you just want to test them, you want to see how many milliamps your batteries hold. You can discharge them, recharge them. It counts exactly how much it puts back in them and takes out. Pretty nifty. Also, another cool little feature it has is the top of it here. You can put your cell phone on there, and it'll do a wireless charge to your cell phone. So like if you're out and you've been playing, whatever, you need to come in, charge your crap, your battery's running low on your phone, you need to wrench on your shit, just throw your phone up there, bam, charges it up. Damn cool feature. What we've done just for our different batteries, we just made a little connector so we plug in our different batteries. We do have some Dean stuff still floating around, crawlers, and we get a lot of new stuff. Of course, it'll come with the Deans already in it, and we'll change them over. I'll make a video one day to tell you why I've changed over from Deans. The Deans works to a point, but there's some issues with using Deans and that. I'll make a video one day and show you all the issues that I've come up with trying to use Deans and the problems it created, and then all the problems were solved 100% by going to an XT90. They're great. Yeah, an XT60 is good too, like Matthew was just saying. They're good too, but if you've got the large wires, for like 8-scale vehicles that have 10 gauge or something like that, just go ahead and go to the XT90s. They're so much better. But yeah, just wanted to kind of show you there. This is an excellent charger. If you're looking for a charger to buy, can't go wrong with this one. It's the bomb. Works really good. See ya.